Meet the Vari Hideaway Desk, the space-saving fold-down workspace. This desk must be mounted to studs, so to install it, use a stud finder to mark the center of 2 adjacent studs. Grab the mounting template and align the holes with your stud marks. Secure it to the wall with tape. Pull down the mock work surface to see just how high the desk will be once installed. You can install it at seated or standing height. Drop the level on the work surface and adjust the template until it's nice and even. Once you're happy with the placement, mark the 4 screw holes. Now, with a friend's help, line up the desk with your markings. Then, secure it to the wall with the 4 self-tapping screws and washers. Slide the PET felt backing into place. It helps absorb sound and gives the inside a clean finish. Hook up the 2 bungee cords if you want to secure small items while the desk is closed or in use. That's it. Fast, functional, and ready to roll. The Hideaway Desk from Vari. Work elevated.